In this lecture, in the similar line as previous one, we will prove that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Again the arguments will remain same, okay, we will just do it for the sake of completion, alright. So let positive odd integer be a. So any positive odd integer be a. Now since I want to prove it is in the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, I have to divide a by 4. So when you divide a by 4, you get some q and remainder r. So now a can be written as 4q plus r, where r takes value 0, 1, 2 or 3. Now arguments are again same. 4 into q, this is definitely an even number. Since this is an even number and a is an odd number, what has to be the r value? R value definitely has to be an odd number now, because this is even plus odd will give you odd number. So if this has to be odd, the possible values of r are 1 and 3. Since this is what we read, 4q is even, r has to be odd in order for a to be odd. So if r has to be odd, r can take values 1 and 3. So therefore a is now in the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Verify this one. Take any odd number, it will either fall in this form or this form. Let's take 11. So when I take 11, 4 2s are 8 and 3 remain. So this is 4 into 2 plus 3, which is this form, 4 into q plus 3. Let's take another example. Let's take 21. So when I take 21, 4 5s are 20 and 1 remained. So 21 is now written as 4 into 5 plus 1. So it is in the form 4 into q plus 1. So now you can think now. So this is an even number. Just as a note, you can understand this is always an even number. So even number, when I add with odd number, the resultant is an odd number. So the same question, if I ask it as 6q plus r, any odd positive integer, if I have to write it as 6q plus r, then the possible values of r will be 6q is again an even number. R has to be now an odd number. Now r can take values from 0 to 5 because it is now 6q. So if it has to be from 0 to 5, the possible values of r will be 1, 3 or 5. So same question, if it is asked with respect to 6q, so then a will take in the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. If I want to prove the other way, if I want to prove even number when divided by 6, so 6q is again will be an even number. So even number has now must be added with another even number. So now r can take values 0, 2 or 4. So any positive even number, if I have to talk with respect to 6, then it will be in the form 6q or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4. I hope this is clear.